Listen carefully. Ketones are classified into two categories: symmetric, asymmetric. Symmetric is also called as a simple, and asymmetric is mixed or. Examples of symmetric is CH3, C double bond O, CH3, name, dimethyl ketone. Asymmetric, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. What is this? Alphabetical order: methyl 1 2 3, N propyl, position है थी, N propyl ketone. Aromatic ketones. Look into the aliphatic ketones. These are your ketones, no doubt. Aliphatic, which are sub-classified into symmetric or simple, asymmetric or mixed. Aromatic ketones are written as yes. बघा हा तुमचा कार्बोनिल ग्रुप कुठे बघा हा. What is this? This is diphenyl ketone. What is it? Diphenyl ketone. दोन phenyl rings attached to ketonic group. So it is diphenyl ketone. आता हा सांगा. Another example. हा काय? I hope you know. What is this? Methyl phenyl ketone. This is diphenyl ketone. This is methyl phenyl ketone. Clear, students? Concept is clear. Go to carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are the ones which contain this very important group, that is C double bond O, OH, R. Carboxyl group. Carboxylic acids are classified into aliphatic carboxylic acids, aromatic. हा carboxylic group जैसे carboxylic acid, no doubt they contain carbonyl group along with hydroxyl group. म्हणून त्याला carboxyl म्हणतात. Aromatic. Aliphatic कुठचे? Acetic acid. If one carboxylic acid group is attached, example झाला acetic acid. If there are two carboxylic acid, it is means aliphatic carboxylic acid. No doubt, where the carboxylic group is attached to the aliphatic carbon, no doubt about that. They can be mono, di, tri, etc. depending upon the number of carboxylic group present. आता इथे एकच आहे, सो हा मोनो कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड झाला. समजा इफ आय टेक 2 कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड ग्रुप्स, दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ ऑक्झॅलिक ऍसिड. ठीक आहे, हे ॲलिफॅटिकचं क्लासिफिकेशन. यू कॅन टेक अनदर एक्झाम्पल ऑफ ॲसिडिक अँड ॲलिफॅटिक. हे बघा, CH3, CH2, COOH, प्रोपियोनिक. स्पेलिंग बघा, प्रोपियोनिक acid. Carboxylic acids are subdivided into aliphatic, where carboxylic group is attached to aliphatic carbon, open chain. Example, acetic acid, propionic acid. If more than one carboxylic group is present, they are classified as dicarboxylic, tricarboxylic and so on. हे डाय म्हणजे ऑक्झॅलिक ऍसिड स्टुडंट्स. ठीक आहे, ट्राय दाखवू. तीन कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप असलेले CH2, COH, C, COH, OH आणि हा परत किती कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप आहे त्याच्यात? 1, 2, 3. मोनो, डाय, ट्राय. मोनोचे ॲसिटिक ॲसिड, प्रोपियोनिक ॲसिड. डाय 2 कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड, ऑक्झॅलिक ॲसिड. हे काय? डू यू नो इट? इट इज सिट्रिक, जे आजकाल खूप डिमांड मध्ये आहे, बिकॉज इट इज प्रेझेंट इन ऑल सिट्रस फूड, ज्याने आपली बॉडीची इम्युनिटी वाढते, अँड दॅट इज व्हिटॅमिन सी. कळते? लिंबू मध्ये सिट्रस जे आंबटपणा असतो ना, त्याच्यात सगळ्यात सिट्रिक ॲसिड असतं म्हणून. हां, सो दॅट इज सिट्रिक ॲसिड हिअर. कळते? लिंबू मध्ये असतं, आंबटपणा असतो, अँड इट्स बेस्ट इम्युनिटी फॉर करोना. कळते? दिस इज युअर सिट्रिक ॲसिड. आता ॲरोमॅटिक घेऊया. ॲरोमॅटिक आर ऑल्सो क्लासिफाईड ॲज मोनो aromatic carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid. If it हा benzoic झाला, benzoic acid. If 2 carboxylic acid groups are present, याचं नाव काय? Phthalic acid. What is this? PHTHALIC, phthalic acid. One more already you have studied. दाखवते aromaticचा. आठवतं का बघा तुम्हाला? Whether you remember this? This is aspirin, a drug. कळता है? Which is acetyl salicylic acid. I'll repeat. Carboxylic acids are classified into aliphatic, aromatic. If one carboxylic group is present, mono. Example, acetic acid, propionic acid. If 2 carboxylic acids are present, oxalic acid. If 3 carboxylic groups are present, citric acid. तसंच aromatic carboxylic acids are classified into mono, di, mono normal benzoic acid, di phthalic acid, and if some other group is attached, acetyl salicylic acid, which is what called as, it is called as what? Aspirin. Acetyl salicylic acid, that is aspirin. Are you okay? Fine. For today I will stop, students. Tomorrow we will continue with more concepts. ठीक है? Bye.